Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use this model WAN 2.1 alpha text to video model to create a video like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's open the ComfyUI from here, run it. Okay, now let's let's go to templates. From here, let's go down. Okay, for this model, I want to use this one. WAN 2.1 alpha text to video. Okay, you must download those missing models. Okay, you can download from here by clicking this download button, and the downloading is begin. Or you can copy the URL like this and add here and hit OK. Start download. Okay, let's download it one by one. Okay, start downloading this. I finish it from here. Second one, copy URL. Start download. Third one, add URL. Okay, start download. Copy URL. Start download. The final one, copy URL. Add URL right here. Start download. Okay, the downloading is finished. Okay, let's open folder. Now it's close. Okay, we have 5 files. Okay, let's copy it one by one. Let's go here. Open the computer. Let's go to models. Okay, the first one. The fusion model is 2.1 text to video scale. Where is the fusion models? Okay, drag this one right here. Second one, Doris. Okay, WAN alpha 2.1 RGB dollar. USB. So models. This is put in Loris. Okay, fine. This is what. Then into models. VIE. Okay, where is it? There is 2 files in the VIE. This me and this one. Open it, drag those. And the final one in Loris. Models. Put it right here. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's run the page and let's see. Okay, now. Its work is successful. No, this structure that I use. Okay, diffusion modulus, lowers, text encoder must download the basic modulus like this. Okay, after that, first step is to load the model. After that, lower leaders and the text encoder, and this one, the video from the text. Okay, let's use this one, or you can use prompt from ChatGPT. Use what do you want. Okay, after that, we have the steps and the final video right here from the text. Let's run it. I want to use the default one. Okay, to create this video, it takes around 20 minutes to create this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial.